All of our companies have become more international over time, and so has NAMUR. Its first extension was into China in the 2008-2009 timeframe, where we now have established several working groups and a yearly assembly with over 200 participants. NAMUR is now extending this into the United States of America, another very important area for process automation. The extension into the US provides a broader platform for the user community to provide input to important process automation topics like migrations, IT/OT conversions and other new technology coming our way. In order to initiate this, we have established a core team in the US that first went public recently at the Mary O'Connor Safety and Risk Conference, where there was a lot of interest from the users in this initiative. We've also established 3 working groups in the US, focusing on alarm management, functional safety workflow and digitization on a plant that are going to be kicked off in the next several months. So with that, it's a very interesting time with this new initiative. I would invite any member company or non-member company with an interest to reach out to the core team in the US, and this will of course provide NAMUR with a global presence in the US, Europe and China, and can cover and approach process automation issues on a global scale.